Juu TV. And said they catch them on you go swa our Ghana party in the park. Aye, say yaba yenu ma almost ya money transfer. And to sabre ya nene eba bedin komo ya wa raba fefe bi awo ye nchen. Aye nene eba bedidi enkomo. Na ono so atra mo ne bodre. My dear. Welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here.
Look here. I want you to tell your name and tell me what is Lamphai.
Thank you so much. My name is Gospel. Lamphai, formerly Lemonade Finance, is a money remittance app. We're a neobank that enables you to send money from the diaspora to Africa at zero transfer fees, no hidden charges, and we have the best rates on the market today. So sign up on Lamphai, download the app, sign up, send money at the best rates possible on the market. Thank you.
I hear you, but I want you to relax and tell more about your product. I know when you want to how can you do the transfer? I want you to explain how can somebody can download the app from the Google Play or App Store, then continue from there.
Okay, thank you. So you go to, if you want to use the app, the first step is to go to Google Play Store or App Store, search Lamphai, download the app and sign up. So when you sign up, we'll ask you for your basic details, your name, your address, just to be able to be sure that you are the actual person using that account. And then when you're done signing up, before you can send money, we need to verify your ID so that we are sure that you're the person and you're actually here legally and you actually exist. So once we can verify that, you are good to go, you are good to send money, and you know we have the best rates, so you really have no worries. There are no hidden charges. There is no transfer fee as well. Any other questions for me?
I know you have best rates because I used to use the app. You're definitely telling the truth. It's true. Yes, it's true. Do you charge when you do transfer? Do you have charge rates?
Absolutely none. We do not have any transaction fees on Lamphai. It's absolutely free to transfer. What you transfer is what your recipient gets. So there's no hidden charges, there's no transaction fee at all.
Okay. Anything else you want to talk about it? How many countries do you do your transfer? Like, for example, like you transfer money from UK to Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa. How many countries?
So Lamphai is available in 10 African countries. You can send money to Nigeria, you can send money to Ghana, you can send money to Kenya, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, and so many other countries as well. So you can just get on to downloading it, experience it, use it. You can also refer people on Lamphai and get money. So when you sign up on Lamphai, you get a referral code, which you can share with friends and family, get them to also experience the app, and then you earn £10 each on everyone you've transferred as well. We currently also have a referral challenge going on for Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria. So you can get on the app, send people the app, send people the code, your code, get them to download, use your referral code, and you earn money.
I want to ask you something. If you can explain it for me, fine. If it's beyond you, no problem. Last time I received an email from your place because I'm a customer. I received an email that your community, you can, I think you want to open communities, your product, you want to sell your product to community. So if like me, my community, if I want to register, I can register so that I can sell your product there. Do you have any idea about that one?
Yes, we used to have a community program where, you know, people are giving their referral codes and they can go ahead and introduce people and earn money. Yeah, so you can go ahead and introduce to people. But it will come back soon. We're working on restarting the program, and we'll let everybody know when it's ready.
Okay, so it's not ready yet.
We used to have it before, but it's coming back soon.
Okay. Some Matthias here. Where the Yakan say. In fact, my usual app on him beside the Okano. I very good. In fact, I very good. And you know, they may also share Mukwaya over Faswa, over download the app on every Google Play in the App Store. Now, what shall share as Sani Usika, a home coma and a yedi. So, do you have anything again you want to tell people about your product?
Our product is simply the best on the market. There's really nothing more to say. All you have to do is experience it. You can earn money, send money. What more? What more do you need? Please come over to the Lamphai side of things. Thank you.
Okay, I want you to say hello to your customers, your friends, and people back home.
Thank you so much, everyone who uses Lamphai. We are in business because of you. We appreciate your business. Please keep sending money. Don't stop sending money. Keep coming through for us. We love you. Keep sharing your referral code. Keep sending money. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Juu TV. Okay, say goodbye to your people.
Bye, everyone. We love you. Bye.